Hi there, my name is Diego, and for my final project for CF50X 2024, I've created a web application to manage and register the computer equipment of a given institution. The main page is a summary list of all of the registers. To add a register, we access the Add Computer page. Here, we enter the computer's main data, the name given to the computer if it's a PC or a laptop, the vendor, model, the computer's unique identifier, and location within the institution, and any additional comment. Next, we register the hardware components and peripherals of the computer, such as CPU, RAM, motherboard, power supply, monitor, mouse, and keyboard. Then we can add any additional hardware component, such as wireless adapters, webcams, speakers, or some other. For each, we need to add the vendor, model, serial number, and size capacity if it applies. We can add extra hardware components as well. Then we proceed to register the computer's software, starting by the operating system or systems if dual boot, and the installed programs categorized as web browsers, Offimatic, security, and so on. We can add various different programs of different categories, but we have a limit for the total number of programs we can add. In the settings sections, we can change our account password and, obviously, indispensable these days, set a dark theme. Going back to the main page, we notice there are 3 different options for each register. One of them is View, that we are going to see later. We can also edit a computer's data or delete it if we want to. The View option for any of the registers let us see in detail all of the computer's data we've registered before. The computer's information, all of the hardware components, the installed software and operating systems. And furthermore, we have an export option, where we can export that data into a CSV file that we can access and handle later via spreadsheet software. Then we have a section with only the computer's register that has an export option as well. And a hardware equipment section only with the hardware equipment registers. This is because we can add additional hardware equipment, not like a computer's hardware component, but like printers, scanners that do not belong to any single computer, or PC cases and monitors that are not being used, maybe because these are older or they need to be fixed. Well, my name is Diego, and this was my final project for CF50.